What the fuck you guys laughing at? This shit ain't even funny.
What are you doing?
Who the fuck keep on?
Wait. So I'm gonna do a prank on my son. Alecu's always getting me, so I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna write something on this poster. I'm gonna probably write, maybe honk to piss off my son. And I'm gonna have it taped on the back of his truck. And I'm gonna see what his reaction is. Every time somebody is honking, he's gonna be like, why do they keep honking at me? I'm not doing nothing wrong. So let's see what their reactions are. So what do you guys think? You think these are going to get a lot of reactions? Let's try it. So I'm going to try to tape this on here. And let's see what the reactions are going to be. This is going to be so funny. He's like, Mom, why do they keep honking at me? I'm not doing nothing wrong. I don't know. We'll give this a try and see how this is going to work. Might put a little bit more tape. I hope this tape holds. And I'll put a little tape down here too so it doesn't blow away. I hope it don't blow away. So we can get all these. But I mean, it feels warmer than what it was.
Yeah.
Where'd that guy go?
Over that way.
Yeah, I just saw him and disappeared. Yeah. Weird.
Did someone beep at me?
I don't know.
Dude, why is this guy following me?
Yeah, he's following you.
Look at.
That guy looks like our old neighbor with hair.
What's wrong with people?
I don't know. Oh my God, there's somebody else right behind me too.
Why is everyone driving so fast behind me? I'm doing already 40.
I don't know.
Why is that a blue flag?
I don't know what that is. Oh, I should have brought sunglasses. This is really sunny.
I know it's hot out here.
Let me just crack this window a little.
Lego.
What up?
What does that blue flag mean?
Like represents the cops or something.
Why are these people so close to us?
Why is everyone looking at me? Why does everyone keep pointing at my car?
I don't know.
Come on, grab the camera and show that people are pointing at the car.
No, people are looking at Mom, not me. I don't want to be up here.
Oh, who's beeping at me? Mom. That's the second beep today, Mom.
I don't know. You're in your lane. What the heck? You're in your lane.
What are people keep beeping at me for?
I don't know.
Second time today, damn.
Does he have a flat tire or something?
I'm doing the speed limit.
You're in your lane. I don't know.
Maybe like 3 times. You heard that?
Yeah. But I don't know. Maybe you're driving too slow.
I'm going over the speed limit. The speed limit's 30. I'm doing 35.
People these days, they just want to get.
Maybe he went over the line, right?
I don't know.
There's no one behind me besides a truck now, and that truck wasn't behind me before.
I don't know. You're probably over the line. That's probably why.
I'm in the line. I can see in the mirrors.
This truck's not open, right?
No.
People are just pissing me off.
Look at this Santa bike you're looking at. Aren't those special wheels, Mom? Like riding sand or something?
Like a dirt bike for trails. It isn't gonna fall again, is it?
I don't think so.
I hope not. Probably because the acid.
Yeah. But
Dude, did someone beep again?
Yeah.
Did you guys hear that, or is that just me?
I heard it. I don't know.
Mom, every time I drink like diet soda, I get hiccups. But then every time I drink like regular, I don't get hiccups.
If this phone falls again.
Well, I don't know what's pissing you off more. The fucking phone keep falling, or fucking people keep beeping at me.
I think you're.
We should go to that park. Yeah.
Gotta get something to drink in a little bit.
I don't know. I can go for iced tea. Can't you guys? Why is everyone so close behind me?
They're probably in a hurry.
Everyone? Well,
What time it is? Is it like people getting off right
it is
now?
like 4 o'clock,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I can't get my phone out.
Well, it's almost 4 o'clock.
3:57.
47.
Oh, 40.
Where's your kid from?
There, I get chapstick or something. Guys, comment down below what videos you should do. You guys got any in mind we should do?
You guys got any ideas?
Water balloon fight.
Water balloon? Oh, it is getting warm.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be nice.
So like a water balloon like challenge thing.
Water balloon challenge. We should do that. I want to do another water park one because that's fun.
Yeah.
The water park, that was the best one. I like that one.
Yeah, but you didn't see what me and Michaela seen in the slide. We
What?
seen a damn ghost in there.
We went separate times and saw it.
Then we said the same thing.
Don't go down that slide no more.
It's fun though. I'll go down it again.
I wouldn't.
Yeah,
If I seen that,
Yeah, but it was in the corner like this.
Remember
Yeah.
the other one that had like a ghost in there too? Oh, weird. Creepy.
well, when we go to Tennessee, we can find different things to do too. Alyssa's seen something that, what the heck?
Who the fuck is beeping? I'm gonna fucking throw my Red Bull can at someone next time. Keep on fucking beeping. It's that fucking red car. It's that red GMC. I see them fucking thumbs up. Who?
What? I don't know why they're honking. Don't get mad. Just drive safe. I think you're probably swerving. You're probably in their lane.
No, they need to stop fucking beeping the horn. Fuck, dude. What the fuck you guys laughing at? This shit ain't even funny.
I don't know why they're honking.
This shit's pissing me off. What the fuck everyone honking? They're honking, they're honking, they're fucking honking. What the fuck? They're all fucking honkathons or some shit?
They're probably gonna be a little
And what the fuck are you looking at? God damn. What the hell? What are they laughing at? Did someone fucking draw a dick on my car or something?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Shit's annoying. I'm just trying to go to Walmart, have a good day, trying to vlog and do a damn challenge after this. And fucking people keep fucking honking.
Calm down. Getting upset ain't gonna help it.
Well, what the hell are they honking for? You keep saying I'm swerving. I'm
I
driving
think you're
straight.
in their lane. You're probably in their lane.
No, I
Well,
can see.
Look, the lines aren't that great on the ground here. Look, they're all worn out.
And their damn tires on their car's not that great because they're fucking worn out too. What, is she gonna beat too? Keep on looking? God damn.
Are you going to be too upset to even go shopping?
Well, people keep on fucking beeping. I don't know. What are they gonna do in the fucking store? Blow damn horns or some shit?
I don't know.
What are people?
I don't know. he's driving too slow. I don't know. I see he's doing your speed limits. Yeah, maybe your speedometer's not working.
It is working.
The what?
His speedometer for how fast he's going.
It is working because I never got pulled over. I should be beeping at them. They're going under the speed limit.
Well, don't get all mad about it.
No, I ain't mad.
You sound a little crabby.
No, I'm fine. I'm trying to enjoy my vlog. And then people gotta keep on beeping.
They're probably just in a hurry. They're probably just trying to get
No,
somewhere.
why would they be in a hurry but they keep on laughing?
I don't know.
Bro.
Just keep calling me.
Oh my god, it feels like it's getting hotter out.
Oh, people keep bringing me.
Yeah, guys, so when we get to Walmart, I'm gonna get some. Should we do like spicy chips or peppers or just like peppers and chips or
We should do a pepper challenge.
pepper
Yeah.
challenge?
Let's
Yeah.
try different peppers, right?
Let's do a pepper challenge.
Let's do pepper challenge? Okay, we could do that when we get home. So when we go to Walmart, we gotta get habaneros, jalapenos.
What are those Sorrento peppers?
Are those even spicy?
They're spicy.
Yeah, we can get those. Then we can also get
Green peppers?
Blabam. Yeah, I can't even say
Blamo or
it.
something.
Blamo.
Yeah, something.
Habalana? Is it called?
Blamo.
Yeah, we can get that.
Alina eats those. Some people say green peppers are spicy. I don't think a green pepper is spicy.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
No, it's just like water.
Yeah.
They're just,
A green pepper's not spicy at all.
they're like sensitive or something, whatever it's called, right?
Probably. I mean, if you can't handle a green pepper, yeah, let's do the pepper challenge. That'll be really good. That'd be a good idea to do. Oh, you guys can do too, maybe like a hot sauce challenge one day. We could probably just do pepper challenge today. Maybe do a hot sauce challenge tomorrow.
Yeah, we could do that.
You could probably even do like spicy chips, like the Cheetos and the Takis, and then add hot sauce to them.
Yeah.
Alright, we could do that.
And your mouth is dry.
Mine is too. From the damn Red Bull, the people keep beeping, I gotta keep talking. Fucking beeping.
I just heard a beep.
Two of them.
Who the fuck is beeping? You guys are laughing, it's not fun. Oh my god.
I don't know why they're beeping.
Do you guys know why they're beeping? Alright, get over this lane. It should be beeping at her. She's not even in her lane.
Mama's gonna be home soon. What the heck?
Dude, that's like the fucking 50th beep today. All I'm trying to do is just record a damn vlog, do a challenge then, and people are keep on beeping. What, do they watch my YouTube videos or something? Are they fans?
I don't know what's going on. I couldn't tell you. I don't know if it's the weather or I don't know. Just let's pay attention to what's going on. I don't know. Maybe your driving is not all that great. I don't know.
I think they're honking because they're happy.
Maybe. Maybe just being a sunny, gorgeous day and they're happy outside, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. You look really pissed.
I am.
I'm glad you're not doing anything bad.
No, I'm just driving.
Like, I know I'm saying, I'm glad you're not, like, flipping them off or something. I don't know.
Oh, that's a good idea. Next
No,
person
don't.
I got that.
Sometimes people get really mad, you know, with the road rage, and they start flipping people off and that.
There's a cop behind us gonna beep.
Oh, great.
Why do you choose gum to you like that? It's like,
I don't know. Angry people, I tell you. It's
Does
probably,
Layton turn into Milwaukee then?
huh?
Does Layton turn into Milwaukee?
I'm not sure. No, that's still Milwaukee.
Where's Greenfield at?
That's way up on High 100.
No, for 27.
76.
I'm saying on 27th. Where does it end?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Why, which way are you trying to go?
I'm trying to get rid of this damn cop. I don't even know. Yeah, it's a cop. I'm trying to get to the other city so that I can't follow.
Well, I would have turned up late and then went to 76 just to get out of here.
No, 'cause I'm pretty sure it ends in the middle.
This is all done.
Alright, so we're out of No, I'm saying, are we out of Greenfield yet? Never mind. I'm just getting annoyed with all this.
Stop getting so crabby, God.
People are keep beeping. I'm gonna
Well,
let you
that's,
drive in a minute.
they got horns for a reason. They must be using it for something.
Yeah, they got a horn to stick it up their fucking ass.
Crabby. Whose music's that behind? Is that behind us?
I think so.
Or is that on the side of us?
I think that's behind
I
us.
think it's the guy behind us.
They got some bright lights, right?
That's a cop.
So pepper challenge for sure? Yeah. What is that?
Oh no, they should be beeping at him. Use his fucking car's done.
Looks like their tire's gonna pop off.
I know, and the tire's so squeaky.
You see that, right?
Yeah, you know, it's shaking.
There's no reason for people to be beeping at me. I got my tires filled up, everything.
What?
Why the
Why?
hell are people recording my damn car? Look at the dude's behind me recording.
What is that? Well, what the heck? That's weird. I'm telling you, the sun. It must be this nice day. They're bringing all the weirdos out. And what is up with those bright lights like that?
I don't know if that's a cop or a pervert, because I don't know why he's recording my car. Is there something on the back of my car?
No.
People never seen a fucking Ford before and they're fucking happy about it or some shit? What the fuck they gonna do?
I don't know. That's weird. I would probably be getting another lane. That's weird.
People are weird.
Go in another lane.
I gotta go up here for Walmart. Go up Howard.
Are you going to?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Why are people
I don't know. What the heck? What the
Fucking flip the bitch off. What the fuck? She just keep beeping for her.
Oh my god, the sun's in my eyes. Maybe we should have turned it this way. Oh god, that sun's bright.
Put the thing down.
No, it's right there by the mirror.
Oh.
I'm gonna just scoot down, I think. So the sun's not hitting my eye. See, block it out. bringing my sunglasses with. We should all wear sunglasses anyway to protect our eyes.
Not true.
It's hot.
It feels good.
Your mother.
The phones keep falling.
Who's getting more
And
pissed?
the goddamn sun's in my eyes.
Who's getting more pissed? Mama J or King Alecu?
I gotta scoot down, see, so the sun blocks it.
Here, you can push it down a little bit if you want to
I'll
fix
just
it.
leave it like that. You want a tip?
If you want.
It's gonna keep falling. Just trying to do this for this hot sauce challenge or what? A hot pepper
I know, I'm
challenge.
just trying to head to Walmart. I got pissed, so I'm going to a different one because fucking people are keep beeping. I've been driving down 27th the whole damn time. People are keep beeping.
What are you doing?
I'm just,
What are you
I don't know
doing?
who the fuck keep on.
Wait. Wait, what's her?
This is why people are keep beeping. Just
Let
not
me
even
see.
funny.
Let me see. Honk to piss off my son. I think I did it.
That's not even funny. I'm not even going to Walmart no more. I'm done.